Just a quick note before I start the video, I've recently enabled memberships for my channel, so if you're interested in seeing a little bit more from me, feel free to click the join button where you can find out more about what memberships are. Enjoy the video. Hello everybody, so today is the day that I finally try Olaplex. I've actually had this in my cupboard for like over a month, so this is going to be a vlog style first impressions of using this. It is currently wash day. My hair is a mess, so I've watched a few videos about how to do this. One girl suggested that you shampoo your hair first to get all like residue of product out of it and then put this on. Just helps it work a little better if there's absolutely nothing on your hair, if it's stripped of all the oils and silicones and product buildup. So I'm gonna go do a shampoo with a clarifying shampoo, which is gonna be super drying, and then we're gonna pop this on, see what happens. Okay, I have just shampooed my hair and just very gently combed it out and gently towel dried, and now I'm going to apply this. So obviously my hair feels like squeaky clean because there's no conditioner in it. Apparently it just works better if there's like nothing on your hair. So I'm super excited to try this. Oh, there's a little thing in it. Oh my god, am I gonna get this open? I'm gonna section my hair and do like the bottom layers first because I want to make sure every single strand of hair has got some Olaplex on it. I'm taking about that much and I'm gonna put this. Honestly, it just feels like a conditioner. It feels like a, you know, fancy salon conditioner. I'm gonna use a comb just to evenly distribute it through the strands, make sure every single bit is coated, and I have detangled before this so it's not pulling at my hair at all. So I'm going to apply this to all of my hair and then I will be back. I have saturated all of my hair. I split it into 6 sections, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I put that same amount on about all of the sections, combed through. So the directions on the bottle say to leave it for 10 minutes, but of course you can leave it longer than that. Apparently there's no maximum time, but I'm gonna leave mine for an hour because I don't have a lot of time today. I'm gonna whack it up in a little claw clip, do some housework, hoover the house, and then I'll be back. Okay, it has been an hour. I'm now gonna go and shampoo and condition this out. Okay, my hair is all washed. I've shampooed and conditioned it and I've just gently combed through it so there's no tangles, and now I'm gonna leave it to completely air dry. I would usually either do the curly girl method or blow dry it straight because otherwise it's a mess. But in order to really see if this works and what the results are, I want to compare it to how my hair would normally look when it air dries and see if there's any difference, and then I will be styling it afterwards just so I can like have nice hair. Oh dear. Okay, so it's kind of started to dry. It's like halfway dry. Guys, I don't think it's gonna dry good. Look at this. That's like, I haven't touched this strand of hair, it just does that. Like, I literally have not touched it, it just dries like that. Okay, so I'm filming on another camera now. Guys, I am kind of not surprised, but I guess this goes to show no matter what treatments you do on your hair, it's gonna air dry the same way. So this is just the way my hair air dries. I kind of knew it would do this, but I wanted to see just in case maybe the Olaplex miraculously enabled it to air dry looking slightly nicer, but it is not so. I'm going to show you the back of my hair, which, you know, yeah, I still have haggard hair. If I were to just like leave it to air dry and go, like, this would be a disaster because this is what I deal with. Look, look at it. But I'm going to style it. There is no change to the way my hair air dries, so that's experiment 1 ticked off. No change, but let's go style my hair and see what happens. I've put in my heat protectant and I've just wet it, like dampen it a little bit. One bit of hair done. I've got to say, it's pretty sleek and smooth and pretty. This is the finished result. I will have some more footage for you as well, but this is it. Pretty bouncy. That's just the way that I blow dried it. My final verdict, I'm actually slightly underwhelmed. It's not like wow. Yeah, it's soft and smooth because I have blow dried it, but that's how it feels when I blow dry it anyway. The ends feel really, really dry. I think that's just because they're dry anyway. I'm in dire need of a trim, but because all the hairdressers have been shut for like 3 months, their ends are just extremely dry. Okay, so I know I said I was underwhelmed, but looking back at this footage, I do think the result is slightly smoother and more polished than usual. I did take my time blow drying it, which obviously makes the biggest difference, but it does look nice. I didn't notice a big difference to the shine, but it was slightly softer, and I do think my results here look nicer than normal. But you know what? So many people rave about this, and it does really help hold the integrity of your hair if you are bleaching it. So I don't want to bash the product and say it doesn't work. This was just my first impression of it. But I am excited to try it again and see if I get any different results. My final verdict is I'm not totally impressed, but I'm sure it helped repair some of the strands. I will continue to use it. Obviously I spent 24 quid on it, so, and I've still got a fair amount left. Oh, it's here. So yeah, that's my Olaplex first impressions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more and leave a comment. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.